Want your blog to succeed? Getting unlimited traffic to your website is a science, not rocket science. Finding your niche, targeting keywords, and creating high-quality content are the first steps. I have explained the process of creating high-quality content in my previous video and the online free tool that can help you. Link in the description box. Now the real game starts. Once your content is published, what next? What do you need to do to get them ranked at the top and get the traffic you want? The answer is backlinks. Hi friends, welcome to Nomad Entrepreneur Show. So, let's get started and find out how to get 1000s of free backlinks. Before we start with the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay notified of our latest videos on online business ideas, marketing, brand ideas, and tools. Alright, here is a quick recap of how to create a quality blog post. Visit .seotools.com. Navigate to Keyword Research Tools. Identify keywords that you want to target, and save them to the list. Visit the SEO Writing Assistant page to create SEO-friendly content for each of the keywords. Once you're ready, copy the details and publish your blog post. Share your blog on relevant social media sites to bring in initial traffic. Now, let's talk about backlinks. What are these? Backlinks are like votes that tell Google that a particular website is trustworthy and the content on the site is valuable, credible, and useful. So, the more of these votes you have, the higher your site will rank in Google and other search engines. When you are getting backlinks to your posts or pages, it is important to determine their relevance. Relevance means being closely connected or appropriate to something else, so link relevance means that a backlink coming to your website is closely connected or appropriate for your website or page. It means if you have a blog that talks about business, the more you have links from other websites that also talk about similar topics. This could be valuable to you. One of the ways to do that is to get the links from the relevant posts on authority websites. You can reach out to websites and ask them to become a guest author. You can provide them with informative content that includes a link back to your website. The next challenge is how to find relevant websites that will allow you to become a guest author. The solution is here. Visit .seotools.com again. From the backlink menu, select the Backlink Opportunity Finder. Land on the page. Select your niche from the drop down and you will have the relevant high authority websites in that niche. Moreover, it is very important to note that the tools show the domain authority, approximate traffic, and the page where the terms and conditions are listed. This is for guest posting on their website. Now, isn't that interesting? Building relevant and authoritative backlinks can help your content rank faster on search engines. Now that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video.